They say you get what you can handle, that life knows what you're strong enough to bear. But tell me, who decides that measure? Who says how much a heart can tear? I've been walking through the storms now, from one battle to the next, and sometimes